Here we have one of our chicken tractors, and these are our chickens. They're all up on the roost because it's getting near sunset. These are Buff Orpingtons. These are all laying hens up here, and down here is the rooster. Inside there's nearly 100 square feet. You can see it's grass and alfalfa. So that's what makes our eggs so great. In fact, let's go in. We're now inside the chicken tractor, and it looks like they want some more food. So maybe the beekeeper's wife can stock up with food, and we come in and see the girls from the inside of their humble abode. Close the door behind me, and here I am now in the chicken house. And hello, chickie. Anybody want to see the viewers today? Hello, sweetie. What about you? Nope. Okay, well, over here we have, oh, lovely. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then underneath in the second story, if I can reach, 1, 2, and 3 more. And they're laying on our quality hay. And then we're being observed here. One fluffy chicken butt. Hey there, sweetie. You have anything to say to our viewers? Guess not. So, this is what we got from these chickens today. And we are now in the second chicken tractor. This is our second community of Buff Orpingtons. And they're not all on the roosts yet. But what we have here are some great, wonderful eggs. That's 2 more, 4 more, 5 more. And these are all just laid this afternoon. Now, right behind me, we have somebody. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Yes. Yeah. And look at that regal-looking rooster. He acts like he runs the place. I have to let him know who the alpha male is occasionally.